Hello beautiful people, I'm going to be showing us today how I achieved this gorgeous colorful display. You don't want to miss this. I'm going to say stay right there and go nowhere. Welcome back to my channel. To all my wonderful subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are the best. Alright, basically what I'm doing is my eyeshadow is gonna be starting with my brown. I'm using my brown as a transition into add a darker base in order to apply my other colors. So in order to get a perfect blend, guys, seriously, you must be patient when applying your eyeshadow, and to ensure that the blend is flawless, applying the other colors, ensure to blend into the first and the previous one sitting before in order to get that flawless perfect blend. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I just applied my jelly. Jelly is a must-have to get a perfect cut crease, guys. Whatever jelly, it could be petroleum jelly, it could be Vaseline, whatever it is you have and you can lay your hands on would work. Okay, so get a jelly to get a perfect cut crease, guys. It's the best thing that can give you a cut crease. So what I just used now is my primer. I applied my primer on the areas where I want to apply the new shadow or on, and now I started with my purple. So the essence of me starting with my purple here is to create a mirror reflection. If you observe right now, you see that on the upper part or close to my eyebrow, I started with the yellow and the green blue before the purple, but right now on the lower part I started the opposite way. That is to give us the mirror reflection. Okay, so and all I repeated the process on the other side, that's on my left eye. Yes, so this is what I had. You can actually leave this look like this but no, me, I actually wanted something dramatic, a little bit dramatic. So I applied my glitter glue, then applied my glitters. Alright, matching glitters to the eyeshadow on my right hand side. So but on the left hand side of my eye, I decided to do something a little bit different from the other one. So this time around I just use my glue to create a line, like a shape that I want as displayed right now, and applied my glitters. So another thing, guys, is you can see on the edge of my eyeshadow close to my eyebrow, that line there is a no-no. It's very unprofessional. So in order to cover that line, I used my highlighter. You could also use a powder, your powder, or to blend in those colors so as to cover that line. So yes, that's why, and that's what we have. So the other processes, as we all know, my foundation, a darker shade and a lighter shade, that's my color. And now I just highlighted using my highlighter, a lighter foundation. So now my eyelashes, to set it all glam. Eyelashes is a must. I can't get a look done without an eyelash. Yes, eyelashes done. So now my waterline area, I used my white pencil, and under my eye area to complement my eyeshadow, I repeated those colors under my eye area. Okay, and mascara, as we can see, I applied mascara. So at this point, this one actually got me really laughing. Guys, can you believe I used my eyeshadow as my as I use that on my cheek area, as you can see, as a blush. It can work. Your eyeshadow can actually work as your blush. I highlighted my nose using my highlighter, and now I'm defining my lips with my wine pencil. But I didn't like the light color, so I decided to add a pink gloss to make to give it a more pronounced look on my lips. That's why the color actually changed. And I'm using my powder, a darker powder, to define my nose area. That's to shade in the nose area. That's what I did right now, and this is the product. This is the finished product, guys. Check this out. This is really, really beautiful. It's dramatic at the same time beautiful. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope this video was actually useful. You learned something new. So if you are new on my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, smash on that notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I'm putting up a post, and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. All right, thank you guys for watching. God bless you all. Stay blessed. See you in my next video.